Hi, welcome back to Rentilio. We're back with another kitchen which is in Devnalli in Brigade Orchards. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom apartment and we have just completed interiors for a parallel kitchen. Let me just take you through what exactly we have done in this particular kitchen. If you see the starting of the kitchen, we have a beautiful breakfast counter which we have planned, and the countertop we have used nano white as a granite on top of this, and then we have two shutters with a shelf inside, and here we have just below the chimney we have the 3-piece basket. We are yet to install the chimney, which we will do, and then this is a 3-piece basket which we have used here. If you see here, this is all soft close and the brand used here is all from EPCO. And this one is the last one, which is for larger storage system, and it can take heavy weight utensils as well. And coming to the next two tandem boxes here, which is large tandem box again for more storage, and the accessories which has been used here is from EPCO. It's all soft close. Next to that we have a oil pull out or a bottle pull out, which is of 1 feet width, and again it's a soft close. And then if you see, that's what we have done, and a lot of storage at the lower part area. If you see here on the upper storage, we have 2-door shutters with a shelf inside, space for chimney, and a 2-door shutters again. And then we have this beautiful shelf, which is an open shelf which we have planned in this area. This can take up to about 20 kgs of weight easily. And you may wonder what kind of tiles this is. This is a very beautiful handmade tiles which we have used in this kitchen, and this is a tile which is the base material is clay, and basically this tiles have been laid. Previously there was no tiles given by the developer, so this tile has been laid by us and the design is chosen by us. And now let's go to the leftmost part of the kitchen, where we have the sink area and tall unit. The first thing, this is a tall unit which we have used in the kitchen, and then a lot of storage here, a lot of shelves. We kept it very simple and neat, that we're going to have a lot of storage, no accessories inside. And if you see, the shelves are movable shelves, adjustable shelves. So again, it's a soft close tall unit what we have done here. And we have 2 shutters here again. So we have 2 shutters here with a single shelf for more storage. And if you see, this kitchen is absolutely handleless. There's no handles at all in this kitchen. There's absolutely handleless kitchen what we have built here. And if you see, this is one of the largest tandem box in the kitchen here. It's a 3 feet width and a large tandem box. And if you see, the make is all EPCO what we have used here. And then coming to the end part of the kitchen, which is the sink area, it's a simple single bowl sink, which is a Kerasa sink which we have used, and the tap is Jaguar, and below that we have the dustbin unit and everything here. So if you see, the countertop is totally nano white. It's a beautiful material, gives you a very good look, very glossy look, and we have used the tiles. And then we have the upper shutters, which is just shutters and storage inside. So guys, this is a very simple kitchen and very elegant, which we have built here in Brigade Orchards. Because it was a parallel kitchen, we gave some open shelves because we didn't want to have boxes kind of having taking a lot of air space. So this is what we've done in this 3-bedroom apartment, which is in Brigade Orchards in Devnalli. And if you like this kitchen and you want to build something on the similar lines, do get in touch with us. You can drop us a message on rentilio.in, which is on my website, and we'll come back to you within about 12 hours. Thank you so much for watching, guys.